Tucson Subaru mobile glass. It benefits the customer, so the customer does not have to come to the dealership. We can go to them. So the advantage that we have is that we are 2 certified installers that got certified through an Auto Glass Academy. We're not only certified to install windshields, but we're also certified in using product. Once on arrival, we're looking about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. So installing a Subaru windshield has really high-tech eyesight cameras. And those don't want to be disturbed. I mean, there's wires there, there's lens. So you gotta have some knowledge of working with these windshields so none of that stuff gets disturbed.